welcome to today's episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Sifa West. If this is your first time on the channel, you are highly welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstitions, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I will be revealing a very important and powerful herb that is popular in West Africa. And this herb is a lifesaver. It will solve many problems for you and for a lot of people. This is one herb that is one of the best kept secrets of many spiritualists in Nigeria. A lot of people are not going to be happy with me today once again for revealing all these kind of things on the internet. But once again, we have many problems in life. Life is supposed to be a place of pleasure, enjoyment, happiness. It's supposed to be a paradise. But some people say that it's going to become a hell for us. Some people don't want us to be happy. Some people don't want people to enjoy. Some people don't want people to sleep. Some people want to decide how other people see life or whether we should eat or not. Some people want to control our life. This is not a good thing. I believe life, we still have a chance of making life a better place. And we can do this by sharing knowledge, sharing ideas, and making closer relationships with people, closer positive working relationships, collaboration, not competition. So many of the things we have in African spirituality are naturally things that will help us grow, help us find happiness and peace in life. But nowadays we see a lot of spiritualists trying to hide stuff. Traditionalists, they hide a lot of stuff. I know that this is because of economic reasons, hunger. We are all hungry in West Africa, especially Nigeria. People need money. So as a result of that, people become more harsh and mean and wicked to each other. So we hide a lot of stuff. There's a lot of secrecy in African spirituality. So we need to find a way to overcome this problem. I have said in previous videos that we must try to invest in African spirituality. If we want it to grow, we want it to develop, we need to be supporting it. We need to create research institutions. We need to create budgets to be researching into African spirituality, compiling all these spells, herbs, the different type of herbs, the benefit it uses, documenting them for future generations and keep exploring them. And this is the way we need to make it grow. Most people, the only time they remember African spirituality is when they have a problem. That is the only time they will remember, they will run to go and meet one native doctor or Babalawo. Then after that, they never think again about African spirituality. This way it does not grow. That is part of the reason whereby when people come to meet Babalawos or those people, they always charge you very well because they know that after this, they will never see you again and they need to survive. Me too, I have come to reason with that. Part of the reason I charge consultation fee. Some people will just think that you're just sitting down, you don't eat, you don't drink, you don't have responsibility, you don't pay rent, you don't buy fuel. They will just come to want to get something for free. No, it does not happen like that. You have to pay. That's why I charge consultation fee. Before I do anything, immediately you cross that my WhatsApp, you will pay for consultation fee. Part of the reason, and besides, you need to also respect what we are doing here. We are putting our bodies, our time, energy into this thing. We need to be getting something for it. If not, it will be exercise in futility. If you bring yourself down for people, people will step on you and they will insult you as well. So me, I don't do that. From time to time, people will come to be begging me for free work. I have said this consistently. I don't do that. I don't do that. I don't do that. Please don't do it. It is not good. Respect me. You cannot go to a hospital and do, it's not a free clinic. I'm not Salvation Army for crying out loud. I don't do it anymore. I have done all those kind of things before. I don't do it anymore. So please don't come if you know you want to do something. Be prepared. Okay, try your best, and I will still try my best too. But we still do something. Sometimes I bring a lot of free stuff already on the channel to help a lot of people. Okay, not every time you come to meet me for stuff. I also want you to know stuff. So I believe I've done a lot of charity work on this channel to my own detriment. A lot of people have been insulting me that I don't have money, I'm a poor man, I am this, I am that, my YouTube channel is not sophisticated, blah, blah, blah. I don't care. What I care about is that the message comes out, you get the message, you understand the message, and the message change your life. This is what I care about, okay? Not sophistication, that will come on its own, but right now, let's solve the serious problem on ground. If you can understand the things I'm saying, you are learning, it is improving your life, it is moving you forward, it is impacting your life positively, then I will know that I have done my job, okay? When you have learned this stuff, you can now decide to upgrade, continue from where I stop, okay? Life is a continuous process. We learn every day, okay? So I hope that you guys will understand this thing. Today, I'll be talking about this very, very powerful herb that we call white ginger. Okay, the botanical name is Mondia Whitei. It has lots of names. Okay, we also know it as African ginseng. For those people that are living in Asia, you might have heard of the ginseng root, the medical benefits. This one is more stronger than that Asian ginseng that you see them singing about on the internet. This is the real ginseng. This is the one they call them tonic root. In Hausa language in Nigeria, they call it Sharuwa. Sharuwa root. Isirigun in Yoruba. Isirigun. This is what they call it. Okay. This is a very, very powerful herb and popular herb, and also a secret weapon. It is very popular because it is used in the treatment of erectile dysfunction in men. Okay, this is the issue whereby the thing cannot get up. The penis does not have power to be very strong as iron. Okay, this is a serious problem. It is not something to joke about. There have been many bedroom incidents. These have led to many broken homes and broken marriages in the world. This is a problem that affects about 30% of men in the world, erectile dysfunction. The dick need is strong. Okay, it could be like plastic. After everything, you don't talk to babe, you don't do all the normal runs, when I don't shop, when I don't go party, don't do shopping. When it reach time for action, the thing they shake like this. The lady will feel very, very disappointed, and the man will feel very, very uh, ashamed. This is not a good thing. So this is a problem that have been affecting a lot of men. Erectile dysfunction. It can be due to many issues. It might be due to stress, too much thinking, overworking, not eating balanced diets. It can be due to STDs or STI. It might be due to maybe different things. Anything can cause it. Okay. So men have this problem for whatever reason. A lot of men are under stress. So if you are a man, you have this issue, or if you are a woman, you see a man that you like, but the man is having this problem. Don't chase the man away. Don't let the man feel inadequate. Try to help the person. Try to get this thing. This very thing I'm talking about is very powerful stuff, okay? It is like a Fadoja agresta, but the difference is that it does not grow the dick, but it will make it hard. It makes the dick to be very, very strong. And it is much more easier to get. It is very, very popular in West Africa. It is popular in Nigeria. We call it white ginger. You can get it everywhere. Okay, I can get it for you if you want it. It will work for you very, very well. Apart from erectile dysfunction, it also helps with the problem of premature ejaculation, and it stimulates the production of sperm in men. So if you have men that have low sperm counts, they cannot impregnate a woman, they need this herb. This is very, very important for them. Okay, so that they can be able to impregnate a woman, they need to be taking this every day, and they will increase their sperm counts. Okay, this herb is not that expensive, and it works effectively. This is a secret, many spiritualists will not tell you this, but they will charge you a lot of money. They will not even tell you the name of the herb. Okay, they won't even tell you the name. You will think that it's something they get from the spirit world. It is right here with you. So I'm telling you today because I know that people that watch this channel are serious people, and I want to help people, and I bring this stuff out here for you so that you can be able to have a more fulfilled, higher quality of life. It will make life easier for you, if nothing else. So you get to know all these things. Not only know it, you can use it to help people, help your family, and we can move the world forward. There's love in sharing. Sharing is caring. Okay. So for this herb, how do you know it? It smells like vanilla. For those people that like vanilla ice cream, it has a flavor like vanilla. Okay. Then the roots are the power. People also use the leaves and the flower, of course, but the roots is the main stuff. Okay. Apart from that, it does this. It also does other things too for the body. It's not only for erectile dysfunction. They use it in the treatment of malaria. They use it in the treatment of hypertension, in the treatment of urinary tract infection, gonorrhea, cough, jaundice, diarrhea, stroke. For women that are going into labor, they give it to them. It makes delivery easy without them feeling pain. This herb is something like bubuloshe. It has lots of benefits. Lots of benefits. They use it for treating abdominal pain, for reducing fever. They use it for heart disease, for asthma, for a lot of things. Okay, I'm not just saying this for saying sake. You need to research this herb. As I call the name, you need to research it. It's a very powerful herb. It's one of the best kept secrets that people use in West Africa, Nigeria. Okay, so you need to start using this for people that have that problem, that you want to solve the problem of erectile dysfunction, you want to increase sperm count, you want to have babies, you want to have you want to have optimum health. This is exactly what you need. You need Mondia Whitei or white ginger. Okay, it is African ginseng. So please, I want you guys to get it. Apart from that, they also use it to stop postpartum bleeding, PPH. This is a situation whereby after delivery, a woman is still bleeding. They use this to also stop that postpartum bleeding as well. So it's a very, very powerful herb. It's not just an ordinary herb. It does so many things. In fact, the uses of this herb, there are too numerous to mention. We can call it Boboloshe. Boboloshe is the name we call herbs that have lots of things that they do. That you will see some herbs that have over 100 kiosks or treatments. Those kind of herbs Yoruba people call Boboloshe. This is one of those Boboloshe plants that you are seeing here. So it's a very, very powerful herb. You can use it for a lot of things. It will solve a lot of problems for you. So when you get this, you don't need to do so many things anymore. Just this herb will solve so many problems, from headache to body pain, to STI, to labor, to delivery, to hypertension, to stress, to every other thing, and most especially to overall reproductive health enhancements. What more do you need from just this one plant? What more do you need? So this is something that you need to know about, and something that you need to put in your arsenal. Okay, so that's why I'm talking about it here. So I want you guys to get your hands on it. If you don't know how to get it, I have it. Okay, it is very bountiful from where I come from. You can order it from me. I will send you the original one. Okay, the original dry roots, I will send it to you. Or the powdered form, I will send it to you. So this is something you need to have, and you need to start using it to improve your sex life, to improve your overall health, and for whatever you want to do. So I want you guys to don't just take my word for it once again. Go to your internet, do your research on this herb, find out every information you can find about it. Equip yourself with the knowledge and try to get it in your possession and start using it and start benefiting from it to enrich your life. Okay, so I thank you once again for being with me. So this is what I have for you today. Questions or comments are welcome as usual. Like and share my videos, subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn about African spirituality, you can register at my website www.kindoki.net. If you still want to read my book, I have the book on quantum physics that will give you the scientific validity of African spirituality so that you know that we are not just playing here. We actually know what we are practicing. We can explain it, okay? And we know where we are going to with this. So if you want to do your spells as well, my number is on the screen waiting for you. So apart from that, I wish you a very wonderful day, and I will be seeing you in the next video as usual. So take care and bye. Peace.